Alright, this is my fourth attempt at catching birds at the suet feeder, and unbeknownst at the time, I had it on time lapse. So I got no idea. I'll have to look back at what the setting was. But you can see that the birds immediately appear upon my departure. The downy. You can see all the birds on the ground in the back. I know one of them was a towhee. And lots of goldfinches out there. And of course cardinals. I guess they're the most visible. And that was a tufted titmouse. A woodpecker. That looked like the nuthatch. That's a nuthatch. There's a red-bellied woodpecker. Red-bellied woodpecker again. Titmouse. Titmouse. Downy woodpecker again. There's the jay. And it looks like the other jay. Looks like a mockingbird in the wing. Cardinal, jay. Rainy days are good feeding frenzy days, especially when Indy puts out a good tasty suet cake. Female cardinal. Another titmouse. There's the downy. Or was that the... That was the nuthatch. Titmouse. There's the nuthatch. And the downy. Nuthatch. Oh, something coming up here. Oh, that was the jay. I mean, Lord, I can't keep up with them all.